Hi guys, if you would like to see how to put your hair in a bun with or without gel, then watch this video to the end because I used both method. So let's do the one with the gel first. For this method, that gel smells really good. I'll be using Styling Dreads Molding Gel Wax. The consistency is very thick. So you would want to have extra moisturizer for your hair. I used water and leave-in conditioner just to moisturize my hair. In fact, I use it intermittently. So let's go with that. The best method for this style, if you want your hair to lay very flat, is to work in sections. Don't forget to have your hair in sections. In fact, I did 3 major sections, but if you have fuller or longer hair, please, you need more. Honestly, you do. And please get yourself very good hair wax or gel, because that changes everything. It makes the work easier. It makes the work very short timed. Yes, I have done the back and I am putting the hair in a bun right now so that everything will slick back. One of the mistakes people make is that they have the entire hair spread out and just applying gel and hoping that everything will just slick back. That may not work unless your hair is not natural. If your hair is like 4C like my hair, it will give you headache. So just save yourself the stress and work in sections. I remember the first time I tried to do this slick bun for myself and it was such a tedious one. Why? Because I tried to do everything at the same time. I just applied gel all over my hair and I decided to start brushing it, and no, it did not work. So I've learned my lesson over time that the best thing to do if you want to work on natural hair and if you want to achieve your hair to do like the slick bun, you need to be patient and work in sections. Now that was pretty easy, wasn't it? We're about done with it and I'm obviously happy with it. See how I'm smiling. Now we get an extension. This extension is optional. You can decide to just, wrap your hair, or you can decide to add an afro. Anything you want to use is fine. But for me, this is what I chose today, and I have not used this thing since I bought it. This is my first time of using it and I really do like it at the end of the day. It turns out even better than I thought it would. I like it a lot and I rock this hair for a while. So here we have it, the one with the gel done and dusted. And now to style number 2. But first, let me enjoy this one small first. Alright, so that's about it. We move on to the second one now. Here we go, without gel, wax, or at least any molding product. And just like the first style, the trick again is work in sections. In fact, it's more important that you work in sections in this one because you're not using any product, any gel or wax to hold it down. So you must be very careful and ensure that you comb it out really well, or you use your fingers through. For me, this style I did not use any comb. So it was just my fingers I ran through the hair. Whatever you do, ensure that you have a good grip of the hair and your fingers can run through, and that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and this is the final result of bun without gel. It's fussy hair, so let's celebrate our hair in its infinite beauty. Watch my next video right up here.